Hey guys, today we're going to walk you through extension appointment. I'm going to try to explain to you exactly what happens when you get extensions and what to expect. So go ahead and come along with us.
I think I want length and a little bit of dimension for my wedding.
Cute.
And I want it just to like look thick, but like
Not too thick.
not too thick.
Look natural.
Yeah.
But maybe not a ton of length, maybe just a little.
Yeah, just a little
Because you
something.
might wear her back for
Yeah.
your wedding. I feel like that would be so cute because then it'll be thicker and a little bit of length will help it to
Yeah.
if you wear a bun or something, you
Yeah.
know? I feel like that'll be so cute. So I was thinking we have two different colors. This is like a little brighter, okay?
Okay.
And then this one is a little bit darker. We wouldn't have to do hardly too much color at all.
I love that.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
But then you have this that's like the mix that I kind of think is the perfect. I think this is like the perfect color.
Yeah, I love that.
Like,
Yeah.
it is so good. Okay, on it.
Well, good job, guys.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the beads in her hair, and we're gonna make sure that we put the beads in exactly where we want the hair to lay, and we're gonna decide on which colors we're gonna do. And because there's so many different ways that we can add colors, the way you lay the different colors, that's why we love our hidden wefts so much, because you can stack them and you can make them change with just the way you lay the weft on top of each other. Like, you can change the whole look, even just by putting one weft and having the blonde in the front or the dark in the front. So there's just so many options. So once we do that, then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sew that hair in. Then we're going to tone the extensions. We're gonna root them and mid them so everything looks super seamless. We want the client to look like their extension hair is their normal hair. So we want it to look like if the wind blew or if they put their hair up, you're not gonna see the extension hair because everything is rooted and everything is toned exactly to their hair. Once we do that, we'll decide what we need to do for the color, and we'll go ahead and we'll color the hair to match the extensions. With her, we're gonna baby light. We're gonna do mostly teasy lights because we wanna keep her root color, and we're just gonna lighten up her mid and ends a little bit. Once we do that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start toning. Now the toning makes everything seamless, makes everything look like just super natural. And when it grows out, you can't see the roots and everything fades perfectly. So when we tone, we always do a root, mid, and end. And once we do this, we comb everything together, make sure it all matches the extension ends, and we let that process. Now it's time to cut the hair. We're gonna cut the hair, make sure everything's blended, making sure when we cut it, we're not cutting it like normal hair because we want it to look really piecey like normal hair and not super bulky. After we cut, now it's time to style. Using our fabulous iron that we love from the Habit Shop, we're gonna make everything look smooth. Her hair's really, really natural, curly and frizzy. So we wanna make sure we use the right products that you can find at the Habit Shop to make sure all the frizz and everything is smoothed out. And we're going to brush these curls out.
I love it.
Like, I think it's like literally the perfect red light.
No, it is a really good length.
I'm seriously freaking out.
It looks so good.
Like, it's actually kind of insane. Like, how much it can do.
I know.
Like, wow.
You killed it.
That is so cute.
I
It
love
literally
it.
blends perfect too.
I love like the top of it.
I do too. That looks so
It looks so good. I love it.
This is the final look. Thanks so much for watching.